How's it going? This is a quick recipe how to make some popcorn. Spice it up a little bit because you need something to eat. First, you're going to take the microwave popcorn out of the plastic. Put it in the microwave for 3 minutes.